G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 41 Murphy Street, in the popular Bayside suburb of Point Vernon. As usual, bit to take in, let's go take a look around. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your piece of paradise in one of Hervey Bay's most sought after locations in the popular Bayside suburb of Point Vernon. This well-maintained two-storey home has had the roof replaced and has now had insulation and whirlybirds installed as well. You'll note the home has been perfectly positioned on a spacious 632 square metre allotment, offering clear side access on both sides with plenty of space to add a large shed and a pool if desired. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle of being only a short drive away from beautiful Gattaca's Bay and the boat ramp, the Esplanade, beach and golf course, along with the convenience of having Hervey Bay's essential amenities including shopping centres, hospitals and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great, all nearby. Heading upstairs via the front veranda, which is the perfect spot to enjoy your morning cuppa while watching the world go by or taking in a sunset with a cool beverage of an evening. Entering the open plan lounge and dining area, which does form the heart of this home, you'll note there's a ceiling fan and reverse cycle split system air conditioning for year-round comfort. The kitchen features an island bench with a breakfast bar, along with ample storage space and a pantry. Appliances include an electric hot plate with a range hood and a brand new wall oven, being ideal for preparing meals for both everyday and catering for those special occasions with family and friends. This home features 3 spacious bedrooms upstairs, each with a ceiling fan and a wardrobe. The bathroom includes a shower over the bath, a vanity, and you've got a separate toilet. Heading downstairs, you will note that the ceiling height allows for dual living, with 2 large rooms that will suit a range of applications. The studio does include air conditioning and would make an ideal home office, as well as suiting a range of small home business applications. And you've also got a separate toilet on the ground floor as well. The laundry is also located on the ground floor and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. A large shade sail carport covers vehicle accommodation, and you've got clear side access on both sides of this home with space to add a large shed and a pool if desired, perfect for those looking to accommodate a large RV, caravan or boat. There's also a 3x3 garden shed to house all your gardening equipment. Astute investors will know Hervey Bay is still one of the fastest growing regions in Queensland, not to mention the country, and is experiencing a tight rental vacancy rate of less than 1%, which makes this home a sound investment opportunity as well. Homes offering these features in this price point and location are in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.